Hello guys, hello YouTubers. This is the review of the JG, also known as Golden Eagle. Golden Eagle is an upgraded version of the JG HK 416, and this time we are beginning the full review at the end, and these are the disassembled HK 416. Okay, let's start with the barrel, and we're going to move backwards. Okay, one piece all metal barrel, and surprisingly very detailed gas system. In fact, it can be pulled back and spring loaded. Birdcage flash hider, folding front sight, and biggest surprise from JG, metal body. Okay, moving backwards, one piece metal hopup chamber with a bit loose wheels, but accuracy is not that bad. At least it's on par with a bone stock boy AK or Kalash AK. Okay, CNC machined quad rail system for the HK 416. Very nice quality, however, as in Chinese clones you may not expect very durable and very nice finish. However, not bad. Yeah, and this is the MOSFET, which is factory fitted, so it came stuck with my gun. To disassemble the gun you need to disconnect all the wires in the MOSFET. I'm not impressed with the HK style Golden Eagle backside, but it does its job. Anyways, use a reflex sight or use an ACOG. And here we have the lower receiver with the internals. The motor is surprisingly torquey and spinning very fast, considering it's pulling M120 spring, and it has a very high ROF on 9.6 1100 mAh battery. Metal spring guide, red piston, a chrome cylinder ported for the M4 barrel length internal barrel, and at the moment I think that's all I can say. I'm going to disassemble further because my HK 416 came with a problematic semi. Yeah, the marking. This is from GFC or Gunfire in Poland. Looks nice, and it has a unique serial number. Tango down pistol grip. Yeah, M4 stock tube. Law enforcement or whatever stuck. Gearbox, nozzle, bolt catch, trigger, selector switch. Okay, the HK 416 has a very good high torque motor. We will see that when I'm doing the chrono. Super high power, whatever, not important, but it does his job really well. Okay, here's the gearbox from the HK 416, black version 2, 7mm bushings or ball bearings. Okay, we are going to disassemble and see what's inside. Metal spring guide, around M120 spring, metal rack piston, bearing piston head, chrome cylinder, single O-ring cylinder head. And the nozzle without O-ring. Steel gears with the air chip built in. Proper amount of grease. And I think that's it. As you can see, the bevel gear has its own ball bearings inside. And one more important thing I have to mention, and that's the cutoff lever, which is made of steel and reacts to the magnet. All in all, I think this gun is great. Okay,